was driving myself crazy trying to find things in the pantry. I'm so excited about this can storage rack. It's crazy to be excited about organizational tools, but I am. I can't help it. Number one, the trays are heavy-duty plastic, so you can see through everything. You get all the parts. You even get these cute little feet stickers, and they go on the bottom one, and they're rubber so that they won't slide around on your pantry shelf, so I no longer have to have those rubber mat things that all they do is scrunch up and get in the way and get dirty and irritating. Anyway, I like these much better. It won't slip on the shelf. And then assembly is easy. All you're doing is putting the little metal, honestly, they look like short straws, and those become the legs. I just wanted to see what it looked like, start putting some cans in there and organizing things. Otherwise, we've been having cans in the door shelf. So if your pantry or fridge feels cluttered with cans everywhere and you can't see anything like I was, this can organizer really helps. It's a 3-tier can organizer that holds up to 36 standard cans or tall cans and can keep them ready and stacked so you can see everything at a glance. It's clear acrylic, so they're super easy to clean off and you can see through it. And one thing I love is the automatic rolling feature. When you pull a can out of the front, the ones behind it are going to roll forward so you don't have to dig around. It's stackable, customizable, and you can build it the way you want in your pantry or fridge. If you want a simple way to take control of your kitchen organization, this is a great choice. Thanks for watching.